Hallo meine Lieben, herzlich willkommen zu meinem Kanal Deutsch üben. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Deutsch üben. In this video series, we try to systematically learn the German vocabulary from A1 to B2 levels as per the CEFR standards. I have extracted the vocabulary from Netzwerk and aspect of courseware, so you can count on this video series as a good reference for Goethe, TELG and other international German certifications. Also at the end of each video, I have included a short test to check your learning. The videos are based on listen and repeat technique, which is a proven method to not only effectively memorize the vocabulary, but also practice the right pronunciation, which is very important when you're learning a foreign language. You can benefit the most by dedicating 10 minutes exclusively for vocabulary learning on a daily basis. By listening and repeating each word or phrase once per day, and I would say for 5 consecutive days, you're sure to remember it for a long time. So, sounds good? Dann wünsche ich euch viel Spaß beim Lernen.
Personen. People. Die Frau. Die Frauen. The woman. Der Freund. Die Freunde. The boyfriend. Die Freundin. Die Freundinnen. The girlfriend. Der Herr. Die Herren. The gentleman. Der Kollege. Die Kollegen. The colleague. Die Kollegin. Die Kolleginnen. The female colleague. Die Leute. The people. Der Mensch. Die Menschen. The human being. Der Partner. The partner. Die Partnerin. Die PartnerInnen. The female partner. Die Person. The person. Hobbys. Hobbys. Das Buch. Die Bücher. The book. Das Foto. Die Fotos. The photo. Fotografieren. Taking photos. Die Freizeit. The free time. Das Hobby. Die Hobbys. The hobby. Der Lieblingsfilm. Die Lieblingsfilme. The favorite movie. Die Musik. The music. Chatten. To chat. Ich chatte am Wochenende. Kochen. To cook. Ich koche mein Frühstück. Lesen. To read. Ich lese gerne Bücher. Reisen. To travel. Ich reise im Urlaub. Schwimmen. To swim. Ich schwimme im Sommer. Singen. To sing. Ich singe deutsche Lieder. Spielen. To play. Ich spiele jeden Samstag Fußball. Tanzen. To dance. Ich tanze Tango mit meinem Partner. Gern. Gladly. Sehr gern. Very much.
It's time for a short test. How do you say the following sentences or words in German? Please say after the beep sound.
The female colleague. Die Kollegin. The people. Die Leute. The free time. Die Freizeit. To cook. Kochen. To travel. Reisen.
So, meine Lieben, das war's für heute. Ich bedanke mich ganz herzlich fürs Zuschauen. Und wie fandet ihr diese Episode? Schreibt mir bitte in die Kommentare. And there you have it, guys. What do you think about this episode? Please write your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and you have a great day. Cheers!